What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Unfortunately, I was trying to catch the train. I was in a rush and I dropped it. I'm coming from New York City, and this is what happens when you're in a rush trying to catch the train.
Wow.
Yeah.
You broke the whole thing. Don't worry. I got you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Time to change whole housing. Your phone is ready, sir.
Oh, wow. Looks literally just like a new phone. I thought it wasn't fixable when I saw it. It looks really good. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
It looks really nice.